Ever been curious about why your edibles don't work? Too high from your edibles? You're like, yo, I put all the flour in it. I don't know why it's not working. I get it. You're not the only person that's gone through this problem. That was me too. I had to take a trip to Alaska. I had these chefs tell me that I was doing it completely wrong. I had to have them pick, raid through our refrigerator while we were working on the shift that night and literally cook with cannabis and using the elements from the earth to showcase. Let me show you how to cook with cannabis properly. All right. I just got done smoking, my bad. My name's Tarik Sparks. All right. Most people call me Sparks. I am a chef, I am a daddy, and I am the co-founder of The Hidden Creation. All right. The whole idea of this channel is to teach people how to cook with cannabis, very clearly, controlled, a little chaotic, a little bit controlled, a little this, a little that, but I want to show you how to use this plant effectively. All right. I've been working in the cannabis industry now for about a year and a half, but I've been in the cannabis industry for about 10 years, and there's just so much disconnect between what you've been doing and what you want to do and the information on how to get it. That's what this channel is, all right? We're going to be talking about infused meals, we're going to be talking about dosing tips, we're going to be talking about COAs. If you don't know what a COA is, basically it's called the Certificate of Analysis. Usually when you buy your flower, there'll be a QR code, you just kind of scan it and give you all this information. What that's going to tell you is your terpene profile. We'll get into this, but your terpene profile, what can you expect, why it's a sativa indica hybrid, right? Now, I'm a family man, so I get it. My daughter is sleeping right now. She might come running around here, and then that might be interesting where we go from there. But I get it. You know, not all of us can just leave anymore and just go smoke when we want to and stay up all night and bong rip, and you know, so a couple things got to change, and you got to figure out what's the best way to do that. That might be a tincture for you, it might be an edible, it might be a syringe, you know, but you got to know how to dose these things, or you're going to be stoned trying to look at your child like, you know what I mean? All right, so for me, especially now, being married, having a daughter, and just understanding the pressures of really adulting, cooking has been more of a spiritual act of with more intention of this is the way that I can communicate, and I want to be able to share that with you guys as well, because I went to culinary school and I couldn't cook for nothing. All right, so the least I can do is show you how to cook properly, right? The vision I have is being able for you to not just have to do this for 420, but to be able to bring some people over, sit down. Everyone wants to feel good a little bit later based off of this plant, and knowing that they can use it and say, okay, cool, I'm just gonna add 5 milligrams to this, you know, and then we're gonna just chill, you know, and then we're gonna smoke later and then eat in the food or whatever that is, but at least you'll now be more confident when you get your product. So if you are tired of guessing and you want better tasting edibles, you wanna do something else besides sweets. My wife's a pastry chef. My sweets that I want are very specific. They're not always around here at the house, okay? They're specific. So I'm gonna show you how to do it with like a pizza sauce, or how to make your butter into like an herb butter. If that's what you are looking for, then go ahead, subscribe, ask all the questions you want, and I promise you I'll show you step by step to my best ability for you to fully integrate cannabis into the lifestyle that you want. So you never gotta worry about it, you know what I mean? I am the co-founder of The Hidden Creation. You can just call me Sparks, make it a lot easier for the both of us. Just call me Sparks. Welcome to The Hidden Creation. I'll see you there. Go ahead and subscribe. Peace.